Hello, students. Today we will talk about the commutative property. Okay. So, as I have already explained you that rational number, while doing the operations, it follows the commutative property, but not in every case. Okay. Like plus means addition follows the commutative property. Subtraction, it does not follows. Multiplication, it follows the commutative property, and division, it does not follow. Means commutative property is followed. That means, sorry, commutative properties is followed only by addition and multiplication. Okay, commutative property of the rational number is not followed by the subtraction and division. So let us understand how does it happening. Okay, so to understand it, how why I'm saying that commutative property is only followed by the plus and into, not followed by minus and division, there is a reason behind it. The reason is the commutative property itself. What does the commutative property means? Let's go to the definition. Okay, from the one operation, by taking one operation, let's take the operation plus means addition. I have already said you the addition follows the commutative property. That means two rational number can be added in any order. What does it mean? It means that any two rational number, if you are adding it, you can add it in any order. I think you are getting it or not. See one more definition of the same. Sum of two rational number does not change with a changing in the order of addition. Means sum will never change. Sum will be same. Whatever the order of the addition will be there. This is the definition. Okay, this is the property that says. So to understand this property, let me explain you the example. You can understand the commutative property. Okay, see the example. See, this is the 2, and let me give the other example of rational number. This is the 1. These are the two rational number. Okay, if you want to give in a fractional form the rational number in the its standard form, 2 by 1 and 1 by 1. Okay, these are the two rational number. You are adding it. Okay, what will be the value you get? 2 plus 1, 3 by 1. Okay, this is the value. Now let's interchange its position. Let's change the interchange its position means let's change the order. Means I have written 1 by 1 in the second, right? Let me write 1 by 1 first and then write 2 by 1. Now what I'm doing here? I'm changing the order of the rational number, right? I'm changing the order. That it means the changing of the order. Okay, I'm changing the position. Changing the position of the rational number is the changing of the order. So now when I'm changing the order, let's check their sum. These are the sum part. Here the sum is 3 by 1. Here sum 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 1. When I'm changing the order, what is the result here? It is also 3 by 1. So, is there any change in the sum? It is also 3 by 1 and it is also 3 by 1. What does it mean? It means that when I'm changing the order, means when I'm exchanging the places of the numbers, it is not changing, the sum is not changing. Okay, sum is remaining the same. So this is what the commutative property says. The commutative properties always follows for the two numbers. Okay, two rational numbers. When there are two rational numbers, when you are adding it, and when you're adding it, it will always give the same result even after interchanging the places. even after interchanging or changing the order of the numbers. It will not change, the sum will not change. Okay, this is what commutative property says. Okay, so in the variable form, in the standard form, if I want to explain it in the definition, it says that if a is a rational number and b is a rational number, when you are adding it, it gives some result, and b is a rational number and a is a rational number. I'm sorry, it's another way. See, a and b is added, or b or a is added, it will give the same result. Okay, means I'm changing the position, I'm changing the order, but the result is always same. That's why it is the addition is commutative, means addition follows the commutative property. One more example is there. See, 2 plus 3, it will give 5, or 3 plus 2, it will give 5. So sum is always 5, even whatever you're doing. Changing the position, is it changing the result? No. Changing the order, is it changing the result? No. That means addition follows the commutative property. Hope you understood the commutative property. So in simple language, if you want to say commutative property, this is what the commutative property says. Okay, sum of two rational numbers, sum will not change, sum will not change, sum is always same. When you are adding it, changing in the position or changing in the order will not change the sum. So this is what commutative property says, and this commutative property is followed by the addition of the rational number. Let's check for the subtraction. Does the subtraction follows the commutative property? Let's check. 1 by 2. Let me give you some simple. Okay, this is 5 by 1. This is one rational number. This is 3 by 1. This is another rational number. I'm checking it. Does it follows the commutative property? Does the subtraction follows the commutative property? How we check? See how I am checking. Okay, this is 5 by 1, 3 by 1. These are the two rational number. I'm subtracting it. 5 by 1 minus 3 by 1. And what I'm doing now, I'm interchanging the position. Okay, 5 by 1 written first here. Now I'll write 3 by 1, and second I'll write 5 by 1. Here I've written 5 by 1 minus 3 by 1 and 3 by 1 minus 5 by 1. What is the result? Result is here 2 by 1, and here result is minus 2 by 1, right? These are same. These two are not same. That means interchanging the position, changing the order is not giving the same result. Okay, changing the order of the subtraction is not giving the same result. That means subtraction of the rational number does not follows the what? Commutative property. Let's check here for it also. See, 2 by 1 plus 1 by 1. One more example. I said that subtraction does not follow the commutative property. One more example I'm giving you to understand it properly. Okay, 5 by 1. That's the previous example only. This 2 by 1, 2 by 1 and 1 by 1. Okay, it will give 1 by 1. Let me interchange the position. 2 by 1, 1 by 1 means 1 by 1 minus 2 by 1.